Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share white snapper with white wine saffron sauce recipe. Let's get cooking. So, we need 250 grams or about 2 slices of white snapper fish fillet. Dry it with a kitchen towel. Then sprinkle some salt and black pepper on each side. Chop 1 clove of garlic. Chop a quarter of red onion. A quarter onion. Two stalk of green onion. and slice it lengthwise 1/4 of red paprika, or it can be substitute with red chili. Then prepare a 1/2 cup of white wine. You can use any brand you have. Now, heat up the pan in medium to high heat and then add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Saute onion and red onion. Add the paprika and saute them for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Add garlic and green onion, then stir it for 30 seconds. Add salt, black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. Add the white wine and stir it gently. Once the wine comes to a boil, add the snapper fillet in. Lower the fire to low-medium heat and close the lid. After 4 minutes, flip the fillet. And cook for another 4 minutes. And it's done. Your white snapper with white wine saffron sauce is ready to serve. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.